So there's a video of a pregnant Zim lady who was prevented from accessing healthcare services because she could not present or produce her identity documentation at the gate, and this got a lot of people talking. And the Department of Health in Gauteng released a statement, and this is what they had to say. The statement was released on the 25th of April 2025. Gauteng Health condemns unruly behavior of some community members at Kalafong Hospital. The Department of Health expresses grave concern regarding the unruly behavior exhibited by some community members who, over the past few days, have been obstructing patients from accessing Kalafong Provincial Tertiary Hospital in Atteridgeville, demanding that they produce their identity documentation at the gate. No community member or structure has a right to prevent others from accessing healthcare services, and such illegal acts warrant unequivocal condemnation. Police have been called on site to assist in managing the situation, and we urge law enforcement agencies to ensure that the laws of the land are implemented and those responsible for preventing patients from accessing healthcare services are held accountable. Access to healthcare services is a constitutional right in this country, and therefore no individual should be permitted to infringe upon another's right to access healthcare. And people, this is some of the comments under that post. So this one says, your voters must give birth on the floor and illegal migrants get preferences. Zimbabwe doesn't care about their citizens. Only South Africans must suffer. Dear whoever is handling this account, please print and present to your boss that we South Africans will continue audit and stop and block non-South Africans from accessing our public services. We wish to remind you there is no law you can use to stop us from protecting our state. And then this one says, people behind this statement have medical aids not affected by the overcrowding in hospitals, not affected by having to share limited health resources with people not budgeted for in an already reduced budget, not condemning the behavior, but you leave South Africans with no choice. This one says, they're forever pregnant now. And then the other one says, you are taking frustrations out on the wrong people. The government is the enemy here. It's our leaders, not these people. It's in our own house. The whole system is corrupt, and it's not because of these people. They want you to blame these people. It's allowed. Our leaders are taking from our mouths and blaming others for our suffering. You can't be that ignorant. Buying laptops with our tax money, it's an insult.
Yes. And you know what happened? Can you go and fix your problem with Mnangagwa? Go to Zimbabwe. You don't want you anymore.
So start making arrangements. Let me say this. Now, today, when you get home, start making arrangements for where are you going to get that baby from? Where are you going to deliver that baby? Because here you are not coming. Pretoria West, you are not coming.
In our government,
We don't want you anymore. Start making arrangements where you are going to deliver that child, because here we don't want you. Yeah, you can go into Ramaphosa's house. He will help you deliver the child.
No, leader, even Julius Malema.
Yeah, even Julius Malema. Wrong person. Are you not pregnant? Are you not using our facilities free? Are you not using our facilities?
How much did you
What is wrong here? Because you are using our facilities. You came with a bag to give birth. You are using our facilities. So we are not talking to the wrong person. We are talking to the right person.
You must go back to your country.
You came here to give birth.
We don't want you anymore.
Yes. So you can't say we are talking to the wrong person.
Which was yes, I mean we are in the wrong
No.
You are here. It's you who are here. It's you who are here in South Africa. What?
What?
Nothing, my dear. You You are not a South African.
Yes.
As long as you are not a South African.
What you do, as much as you kill our brothers.
Yes.
Yes.
Your brothers are killing us.
Killing us.
Yeah, you will die for the Zimbabwe. For the Zimbabweans that are killing us.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Are you a foreigner?
I'm not my country.
Where are you from?
I'm from Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Yes, Zimbabwe.
Another comment says, I'm not condoning this, but South Africa is in trouble, but is trouble, but serious trouble. Majority of us will make one day, and the country will fully be in chaos. Illegal migration is destroying our country and its potential to improve. It's painful watching this. At the same time, it's painful watching our country being destroyed in all manners. We can't do to certain areas today. We can't go to certain areas today because of Zim and Nigerians plus Somalians. They believe they own that part of the country. Good riddance. They jump the border just to give birth in South African hospitals. We want them gone, but she is pregnant, carrying an innocent child. The least they could do is to let her give birth. This one says, I'm not xenophobic, but wait until they hijack or rob and kill someone close to you. Sometimes with the help of their own women. And let's talk about where do they draw the line when it comes to Ubuntu. And another one says, and we are in financial strain. At some point, we must understand that. Hence, it's painful, but the country is collapsing. So, guys, I'm not going to say